From tax rebates, pension scheme for unorganized sector workers to SOPs for small farmers, this budget must have sounded like music to the ears of the lower middle class, pensioners, the small farmers and the small-scale entrepreneurs. No income tax if you're an individual earning 5 lakh annually. A move that is expected to benefit 3 crore salaried class, pensioners, self-employed and small business. If you earn 6.5 lakh and having invested 1.5 lakh in some tax saving schemes, then no income tax for you. Standard deductions raised to 50,000 from 40,000 rupees. Earn more from your savings in banks and post offices. TDS threshold for deduction of tax on rent has been raised to rupees 2.4 lakh from the current level of rupees 1.8 lakh.
Individual taxpayers having taxable annual income up to rupees 5 lakhs will get full tax rebate. As a result, even persons having gross income up to rupees 6.5 lakhs may not be required to pay any income tax if they make investments in provident funds, specified savings, insurance, etc. With additional deductions such as interest on home loan up to 2 lakhs, interest on educational loans, national pension scheme contributions, medical insurance, medical expenditure on senior citizens. With all of these other exemptions, deductions, persons having even higher income will not have to pay any tax.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi termed this budget as the budget for New India. Will energize the nation, empower the poor and the farmers and give impetus to economic growth.
रिकॉर्ड गति से कम हो रही है। लाखों करोड़ों लोग गरीबी को परास्त करके नियो मिडिल क्लास में प्रवेश कर रहे हैं। मैं देश के मिडिल क्लास, सैलरीड मिडिल क्लास को इनकम टैक्स दरों में मिली छूट के लिए बहुत-बहुत बधाई देता हूं।
But what came as a dampener is that there is no change in the current tax slabs for the rest of the categories, and this would continue in the next fiscal. And here is some good news for the Northeast region. The allocation for the region has been increased by 21% to rupees 58,166 crore for 2019-20. Goel said that Arunachal Pradesh is now on the air map and Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram have come on India's rail map for the first time. He further mentioned that the government will introduce container cargo movement to the northeast by improving the navigation capacity of the Brahmaputra River.
People of Northeast have also received significant benefits of infrastructure development. Arunachal Pradesh came on the air map recently, and Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram have come on India's rail map for the first time. Allocation for the northeastern areas is being proposed to be increased by 21% to rupees 58,166 crore.
The budget doled out lots of incentives for the farmers. The government announced Pradhan Mantri Samman Nidhi for small and marginal farmers. Farmers will get rupees 6,000 in cash per year, and this would cost the government 75,000 crore rupees. This money will be given to farmers in 3 installments, and this will be fully funded by the central government. Farmers who own less than 2 hectares of cultivable land would be eligible for the dole-out. The budget announced a mega pension yojana for 42 crore unorganized sector workers with assured monthly pension of rupees 3,000 after reaching the age of 60 years. Defence budget increased to over rupees 3 lakh crore in 2019-20. The finance minister has done his bit. The ballot will say if this was enough. Bureau Report, Northeast Live.
2% ब्याज की छूट मिलेगी। सरकारी उपक्रमों में SME से सोर्सिंग